Hello everyone, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we will see how to download iOS 17 public beta. Lot of iPhone users asking about iOS 17 public beta, so here's the video to how to download it. Before the software is released to everyone, Apple rolls out a series of beta updates. So basically beta updates is for developers. But now, Apple has opened them up to public beta testers for free. So users will have the chance to try all the new features before anyone else. Now let's get started to download and install the iOS 17 public beta. First of all, go to Safari or any web browser, then here search for beta.apple.com. Next here sign in with your Apple ID. And you don't need to use the same Apple ID as you use to sign in to your phone, but it can make it easier. And if you don't have an account, then you have to sign up here. Once you logged in successfully here, then please read this agreement. Simply read this all and tap agree to continue. Here's some guide for beta software so you can easily use it. Please read this all for more informations. Now on your iPhone, first of all go to settings, then tap general, then in the general, tap on software update. It may take a moment, but below automatic updates, a new option will appear for beta updates. Now tap on it. In this menu, you can select between off and the iOS public beta. So here you have to select iOS 17 public beta. Now you can download iOS 17 public beta on your device. But note that if you used a different Apple ID to sign up for the beta program, this is where you can sign in with the secondary ID. So that's how you can download and install iOS 17 public beta on your device. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.